guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Chigozie Blessing. We're good to have you here with me. If today is your first time here on this channel, you're highly welcome. And to my existing subscribers, I thank you guys so much. You guys are all amazing. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to layer your skincare products like a pro. Like what products come first, what products you should apply first before the other. And if that sounds like something you are interested in, keep watching, guys. The order of your skincare routine matters a lot because of the nature of some skincare products. Certain products can't work effectively if they are applied after another. For instance, if you apply a moisturizer before a serum, the moisturizer will block the serum from penetrating your skin. This is why it is important to apply your product in the right order to get the most out of them. So if you're about to start your skincare journey and you're feeling overwhelmed, don't bother, I got your back, because I am here to help you navigate the skincare needs, providing you with the clarity and direction you need to achieve your skincare goal. So guys, without much ado, let's dive right in. The first product you should go in with is a facial cleanser or a face wash. This is just like when making a meal. First of all, wash your ingredients to get rid of dirt and prep them to make the rest of the cooking process easier. In the same way, before you start your morning or evening routine, first of all, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser to get rid of any impurity or buildup while preparing your face for the rest of the other products. The next product to go in with is your toner. A toner refreshes and awakens your skin, setting the stage for your skincare products to work their magic. A toner is a invigorating boost your skin needs to start the day feeling rejuvenated. The next product you should apply should be a serum or a treatment product. Now, serums and treatment products are the MVPs of any skincare routine because they are formulated with the concentration of active ingredients that will go right deep into your skin to target specific concerns like fine lines, acne, and dark spots. Now, for example, a vitamin C serum can help brighten your skin complexion and fade dark spots, while a retinol serum or treatment, on the other hand, can help speed up cell turnover and improve your skin's texture and elasticity. The next product you should apply should be your moisturizer. The moisturizer hydrates and protects your skin from the effects of the harsh elements in the atmosphere. Now, using a face and body moisturizer will hydrate your skin and help lock in moisture. It will also help in keeping your skin soft, smooth, and well nourished. The next product to apply should be your sunscreen. Now, the sun's ultraviolet radiation can be very harmful to our skin, and sunscreen is our protective shield against our skin's #1 enemy. So the penultimate step in your morning skincare routine should be to apply a face and body mineral sunscreen with at least SPF 50. The next product to apply here should be a primer, which is very optional. Now, if you want to finish up a day's look with a simple makeup, you can go ahead and start up with a primer. A primer helps lay the foundation for the other makeup products to blend in smoothly. A primer also helps your makeup to last longer. So my lovely fam, you see in all of these skincare and self-care investments, I encourage you to know your skin type. Unfortunately, I've made a video on how to determine your skin type. I also shared a tip there. Whether you're oil skin, dry skin, normal, combination, sensitive skin, try and know your skin type first. First thing first, know your skin type. Then you go for the products that suits your skin type. Please also note that the products I shared on my screen, they are just bare examples. There are a lot of products, varieties of products in the beauty store. So kindly know your skin type, then you go for the right product that suits your skin type. That being said, guys, I thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos, so that that will encourage me to continue share good and informative content on this channel. I thank you guys also for watching again, and I'll see you guys on the next one. But till then, bye.